Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw thing 1 or thing 2 from Dr. Seuss. So let's get started. To draw this cute twin from Cat in the Hat, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And I'll come right next to it and draw another oval. So about right here, nice and close. There. And then let's come inside this oval and we're going to draw another oval that's closer to the center. And same thing here. And I'll just come back in here and just give it a little highlight right here. So just draw a circle right there and then just shade everything else in. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then we have the eyes in. Let's come above each eye and we're just going to draw a brow that kind of comes slightly downward. So just a curve that kind of goes down. I'll just come in here and thicken it up a little bit. And same thing over here. So right above the eye, right here, just going to draw a curve, comes down. From there, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose, right in between. There. And then let's draw a big smile. So we're going to start kind of like where the eyes are, right here next to it. I'm going to draw a big curve. So do the same thing right here on the other side. And then I'm going to basically connect this point and this point right here with a big curve. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a really big curve. Go all the way back to the center of that curve. There. And then let's come to the bottom right here. We're just going to draw another curve. So this one has this mouth open. And then right underneath this curve, we're going to draw another curve. Okay, so finally we're done with the face. So then now let's come to the side right here. Let's say about right here. So just imagining this is the cheek area. So say about right here, close to the eye. I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Comes out to frame the cheeks. So same thing over here. So about right, say about right here, we're going to do the same thing. Just draw a curve that comes out. So we're just giving cheeks right here. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw the top of the head with a centered dip. So let's continue this up right over the brow. And as we come to the center, I'm going to dip it a little bit and go right back out and come right back down to the other side. Then from there, let's go ahead and finish the bottom of the cheeks. I'm going to bring this down close to that curve right there and towards the center. We're going to draw a little neck. So same thing over here. Draw a little neck and draw a curve right underneath it to cap it off. There. So cute already, right? Okay, so then from there we're going to draw the amazing hair. So let's come to say about right here. And I'm just going to basically start to go back and forth zigzag. So let's start up here. And you can get as crazy as you want with the hair. But the points are kind of soft. So I'm just going to go right on the head. And maybe about here, going the other way. So notice my points right here are not very sharp. You're kind of soft. So that's what you want to try to aim to do. And then we're going to come out. So we just want it nice and full. So let's keep going. So we come to the top right here. So maybe sometimes it's smaller, bigger. And as we come to the center, I'm going to draw one that goes, so this is like my highest point, and then this is my center. Now I'm going to start to go the other way. So now I'm going to start going this way, doing the exact same thing. So just back and forth. So your goal as you draw on this side is to make it approximately the same thickness, the width as this other side. So that's your only goal really, but you can go however many of these zigzags you want, strands. So say about right here, I'm going to come down, now change directions. So loop it over. And come down, and maybe last one right here, and we'll end right in there. Whew. So hopefully that helped. And then let's draw in some details. So right here where you dipped, you're just going to draw a curve that comes out. And we're just going to start just to give it some details here for the hair. Or you can do this when you're coloring. There. Okay. So now it looks poofy, right? Now that by adding the curves, it looks poofier. Okay, so then now let's draw the body. So I'm going to come around this neck right here and just draw the collar of this little jumper that the thing one is wearing. So a little collar around. And then I'm going to kind of imagine the arms are here. So I'm going to skip a little bit. So let's say about right here and here, nice and centered for the armpit area, and I'll go ahead and draw the body. So just a little angle line that comes out, and we're going to round it off. So very simplified. So as we round it off, I'm going to skip once again, and then come, just imagine it's still going through, but I'll skip a little bit space and just draw a curve right here, because we want to fit in the legs. So let's come down here. So we're going to center these legs. So one on this side and one on this side. So let's finish this part right here. So in this area, I'm going to come down. Just a slight curve. Or maybe right there, I'll go ahead and draw the feet. So I'm going to pop it out, round it off, and connect. So on this leg is slightly bent, so we're just going to curve it down. We just want to end at the same level, so same thing here. So just follow the curve, the bend, and then about right here, same thing, the foot. There. Okay, so then now the arms. So let's come right here, just imagine the shoulders. This is the armpit, so the shoulders will be about right here. And I'm just going to have an arm that comes out. So just curve it. We're going to follow that curve and get thinner as we come out. And right here, let's draw a thumb and a big curve for the rest of the fingers. There. So then same thing on the other side, except this one I'm going to have it come down. So right here, shoulders. Let's see here, shoulders will come down about right there. And once again, thumb and the fingers. Okay, so now that part is done. Now we can finally draw the little the logo right here. So right in the center, I'm going to draw a big circle. You can always find something round and trace it if you're not comfortable drawing a big circle. But something like that, big circle, and then inside, I'm just gonna put a 1. But if you want to make thing 2, draw thing 2, then just put 2 right here. But they're exactly the same. So right here, I'll just put in the number 1, and I'll just go ahead and thicken it up. Okay, so now I have to write the word thing. So right here, I'll just start T-H-I and G there. Hopefully that looks correct. I'm sticking this up even more. And last but not least, of course, I have to add a heart. So I'm just going to add it right here since I don't really have much space or anywhere else to put it, but that is pretty much it. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to draw thing 1 or thing 2. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.